Welcome to this step-by-step guide on how to align text with images in WordPress. Begin by opening your browser and navigating to WordPress. Once the page loads, you will notice the interface with various options. In the upper right-hand corner of the home page, locate the login option. Clicking on this will take you to the sign in page, where you can continue your entry into the WordPress ecosystem. When you click on login, you will see an option to sign in using your Google account. This method provides a streamlined process to authenticate your credentials. Select the Continue with Google option and then choose the account you wish to use. By doing so, you quickly gain access to the WordPress dashboard without the need to remember manual login details. After you have successfully signed in, direct your attention to the Quick Links section, which is typically found on the dashboard. In this area, you will find an option labeled Edit Site. Clicking on Edit Site will transition you into the Visual Editor, a space where you can manage and customize various elements of your website. This part of the process is essential as it begins the journey toward updating your page layout. Once you are in the site editor, look to the top left corner of the interface. There you will find a plus icon which serves as an invitation to add new elements to your page. A click on the plus icon opens a menu that lets you browse through different components that can be added to your layout. In the search field that appears, enter the word image. Typing image into the search bar will filter the options and bring up the image element you need. After locating the image element in the menu, click on it to start the process of inserting an image into your site. This action typically initiates a prompt that asks you to choose where from your files the image will be selected. In response, click on the option labeled Media Library. This will open a gallery of your uploaded photos and images kept in your WordPress account. Now, scan through your media library and select the photo you intend to use. By clicking on the desired photo, you make your selection known to the editor. Following this, there will be an option to confirm your choice. Click on the Select button to firmly establish the image in your page's layout. With the image now in place, it becomes necessary to adjust its alignment relative to the text. At the top of the editing panel, you will find the Alignment feature. Click on this feature to reveal several alignment options. You can choose whether to align the content such that the image appears to the left, in the center, or to the right of your text. Pick the alignment that best suits the design and content structure of your page. By following these detailed instructions, you have accessed WordPress, logged in using your Google account, entered the site editor, and successfully inserted an image from your media library. You have also set its alignment relative to the text. These steps will help you achieve a visually appealing and easy to read page layout on your WordPress site. Enjoy the process of designing and refining your website as you further explore the editing tools available in WordPress.